Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy the 19-inch color LCD marine monitor by Furuno, please visit the link provided in the description. This video is about a display created for environments where ordinary screens simply don't hold up. Most tech is designed for indoor stability, but this monitor is engineered for vessels that face constant movement, shifting weather, moisture, and sunlight that changes by the minute. It's a specialized tool for navigation systems, radar, sonar, and marine operations where dependable visibility is not optional. Right away, the hardware looks purposeful. There's no attempt to look sleek or trendy. Instead, every part of the build focuses on resilience. The body feels reinforced and strong enough to handle life at sea. It's the kind of display built to stay steady on a boat's dashboard, even when the vessel is bouncing over waves or vibrating from heavy engines. You can tell this monitor was never meant for a regular desk. It belongs in a control room, wheelhouse, or navigation station. The 19-inch panel is tuned for clarity in extreme lighting. Marine environments are unpredictable. Sunlight hitting the water, sudden overcast skies, and nighttime operations all require a screen that adjusts well. This monitor stays readable in bright light and reduces reflections that usually make normal displays unusable outdoors. The color accuracy remains consistent enough for interpreting charts, radar pings, and safety data. Durability is what truly defines this model. Saltwater, humidity, and constant shaking can destroy consumer displays quickly. This marine-grade monitor uses corrosion-resistant materials, insulated internal components, and a rugged shell design to handle long-term exposure. Even after hours of continuous use, it remains stable without flickering or overheating. It's built with the understanding that marine equipment often runs nonstop on long journeys. The buttons are physical, spaced well, and easy to operate. Touchscreens become unreliable when wet or when the operator is wearing gloves. That's why tactile controls matter on a vessel. They allow quick and precise adjustments even when conditions are rough or the boat is moving unpredictably. Each control point feels secure and durable enough to survive years of use. Compatibility is another strong part of this display. Marine electronics come in many generations: newer radar modules, older sonar systems, updated chart plotters, and video feeds from multiple devices. This monitor supports the key inputs required to integrate seamlessly with many navigation and detection systems, making it a flexible choice whether you're replacing old equipment or upgrading a modern vessel. The performance is consistent during long operations. Many marine monitors run continuously for days, sometimes weeks, during extended trips. This requires excellent heat management and dependable internal components that won't degrade quickly. The thermal control inside this display ensures it stays cool enough to operate safely and clearly without losing brightness or clarity over time. Visibility enhancement is another feature worth mentioning. The anti-glare surface resists the harsh reflections from sun and sea, helping the operator maintain a clear view even when conditions are bright. It maintains readable contrast, allowing important details to remain visible whether you're checking depth indicators, analyzing sonar feeds, or tracking your route. Marine operations demand clarity and trust in equipment. A display that fails at the wrong moment can compromise safety. This monitor's design acknowledges that responsibility, offering a reliable view of essential information at all times. From its rugged frame to its crisp, high-brightness panel, everything is crafted to support safe and effective navigation. For boat owners, commercial operators, fishing crews, and marine technicians, this 19-inch color LCD marine monitor is an excellent choice for upgrading or replacing critical display equipment. Its durability, long-term stability, and reliable brightness make it well-suited for demanding conditions on the water. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy the 19-inch color LCD marine monitor by Furuno, please visit the link provided in the description.